Welcome. In this video, I will show you the best power settings for Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 to preserve your laptop's battery in good condition. Let's start with Windows settings. To enter Windows power settings, you have to right-click the battery icon on the taskbar and open Power and Sleep settings. Now, here, in order to improve battery life overall, we can just follow energy recommendations, or you can just open this menu and apply all of them at once. However, as you can see, here we have things like dark mode, we have power mode for best energy efficiency, and if you apply best energy efficiency, it will be applied for both plugged in and on battery modes, and we don't really need this mode to be active when our device is plugged in, when our device is charging, right? I recommend just customizing these settings to your own needs. So expand the power mode and set the best power efficiency for on battery to preserve your battery, to increase your battery life when your device is unplugged. And also check screen sleep and hibernate timeouts and change values for on battery to recommended ones, which will also prevent your device from overheating. You can of course do the same thing for when your device is plugged in, but it will not make much difference. Of course, if you don't leave your device turned on for like a full day. So yeah, of course you can use just some really big values instead of just never. Then we can also expand the energy saver menu and either schedule the energy saver to a certain battery percentage or just manually enable it by switching this toggle. Now that's pretty much it for the system settings. So the next tool that we can use is the Lenovo Vantage, which is the official Lenovo software, and it should be pre-installed on your laptop. And if you don't have it on your laptop directly, you can download it from the Microsoft Store, which I recommend doing. So this is a single-click installation application. So once you download this app, you will see exactly what I'm seeing right here in front of me, which is the dashboard of the application. Now we want to go to device settings tab here, select power tab, and here we can apply, I would say, a better battery saver, as it is designed directly for your laptop. So you can enable battery saver, and whenever you are using battery saver, I recommend using it actually in this application. Or we can use the adaptive or balanced mode, of course. Now, below we have one of the most important things, which are the charging settings. So we have the conservation mode, which is the same thing as a battery limiter, or basically, I'm not sure what name you use for this conservation mode, but conservation mode is definitely not the popular one. So basically, it will keep your battery at 80% of charge all the time, which will prevent your battery from overcharging in long time period, which will basically increase your battery life overall, the lifespan of your battery. I recommend using this feature if you don't have a stable routine for using your laptop, to just keep your device slightly undercharged so that the battery doesn't get worn out over time. Now the rapid charge is obviously the fast charging feature, which will be active whenever we either turn off the laptop and start charging it, or we put it to hibernation and start charging it. So it's not really a battery life setting, but it will increase your charging speed. So if you have been looking for a fast charging feature, here's where you find it. And the overnight battery charging, which is basically the equivalent of the smart charging. So it will adapt to your sleeping schedule and charge your device slightly slower than than normally when you're sleeping to prevent your device's battery from overcharging. And yeah, in power, that's everything we need to know. Now, display is one additional thing that I want to mention, because here, well, first of all, we have eye care mode, which is of course a topic for a different video, but try it. Just switch it on, let it adapt to your ambient lights, and you will see how the colors will become much better and much healthier for your eyes. And the thing that I'm looking for here is the adaptive refresh rate. Well, your device supports 120 refresh rate, which is not very good for your device's battery to use it all the time. So instead of using high refresh rate all the time, you can switch to auto, just like this, and then you will probably not even see the difference, but your device will be feeling much better this way. So yeah, I recommend switching from high to auto right here. And then the the basic things that we have left. Right click the taskbar, go to Task Manager, check out the startup applications, sort them by status, see which ones are enabled and which ones from enabled ones you don't really need to start up along with your PC. Just right click such applications, select disable, and prevent them from starting up along from launching with your PC. And yeah, and one last thing is storage. To access storage, we can go to settings, system, and then find storage somewhere here. Yeah, right here. Click yes. Let this application check out your system, and here you can get rid of the temporary files, some installed applications, some temporary files, and generally keep track of your device's storage. And I recommend having at least 10 to 15% in your C disks to be available, because this will help your device function. And if your system disk gets too clogged, it will basically worsen your device's performance and also your battery life. So yeah, keep your storage clean, remove startup applications. Oh, and one important thing, we can actually disable the power hungry applications by going to Task Manager and sorting the applications by power usage. Now, to do that, you have to right click any of these columns and select power usage. This way you will add the power usage column, and now you can sort the applications by their actual power usage. And in order to get rid of an application that uses too much your battery, too much of your power, right click this application, select End Task, and just turn it off. And that's pretty much everything you need to know to keep your battery healthy for long periods of time on your Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.